talk to us about the design side of things. Obviously, we use WordPress and we use post types for these different content structures because it allows us to create these layouts and then plug in the content very fast and duplicate these different pages. If you want to look at an example of this, you can go to optimum7.com/custom-programming, or just Google custom programming and you'll see us number 1 on Google, and look at that structure. That's a WordPress post type, and every single functionality has its own page, but it's very easy for us to create. We don't have to do HTML every single time. So when you do these layouts, again, what's the ease of using a custom post type, and how hard is it to create that new layout?
Well, when you're using these custom post types, first of all, you already have the outline structure for your content already laid out. You're not creating brand new content from scratch necessarily. You already have those guidelines thought out previously. It's really important that you finish this content hierarchy before you even start your layout. And that first layout is the most important. For me personally, it was a collaboration between the copywriters, between some of the strategists. And I think with these content hierarchies, especially when you're talking about web content, you want your value proposition first in the beginning, because remember, people on the internet, they have short attention spans. If they have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page before they get to the relevant information for your product or service, they're probably going to leave your page before they even get there. So I always like to put the most important, most relevant content first. So when we're talking about a service page, often this is relating to a common pain point that they may have. For example, for SEOs, are you not getting the right traffic, or are you not getting the right sales that you're looking for, or identifying with some of these pain points that your audience may have.
Got it. So you're basically saying that whatever copy you write can be a long copy because you want to rank for it.
Yes.
But within the first couple of sentences or paragraphs, you have to clarify your value proposition.
Right.
Now, you mentioned pain point. This is very important. We talk often about this. Marketing and sales is integrated now. So your copy needs to be selling. And what's the first step of selling? It is inflicting pain. It's finding the pain point of the prospect, of the user, and using that pain point to influence him to contact you. Now, I'll think out loud with you guys for a second. And it's important that you get the sales concept. Why am I doing this search session right now? I'm talking to you about content hierarchy. We mentioned layout, there's design, there's programming. I said WordPress custom post types. If you're not in the technology field, or if you're not in internet marketing or internet technologies, this sounds like gibberish to you, right? There's a reason I'm doing this. And the main reason that you should be using for your own business as well is this is complicated, and I'm telling you how to do it, but you probably will not be able to do it by yourself. Therefore, you should hire a consultant or a company like me. So this is me thinking out loud. Do you have this for your own business? Number 1. Number 2, does your copy on your website or on your email, or when you exchange emails with people and you try to sell, inflict pain? Are you talking to the decision makers? Okay. What do the decision makers care about? My decision makers are business owners, right? Any business owner, CEO, owner, founder, partner. What they're looking for is increased revenue, increased sales, increased profits. So I am shaping every single message that I have for the bottom line, for conversions, etc., etc. And I have to practice what I preach. So what Carlo is saying is that your copy cannot be some generic copy. It needs to sell and it needs to be good.